Any Vispool product is quite durable. However, recklessness or misuse of the product may accidentally damage the perfect surface of the product. For example, accidentally dropping a sharp or hard object may cause a mechanical surface defect. If your product is slightly damaged, watch this video and follow the instructions. The surface will be restored to its original appearance, and the repair will not take more than 15 minutes. Highlight the damaged areas with a normal graphite pencil. Sand the selected area with sandpaper number 1200 soaked in water. Note: if in 30 seconds the damage cannot be eliminated in such a way, obviously it is much deeper. Hence the need to watch the instructional video entitled Substantial Damage. Continue sanding the surface with sandpaper number 1500, 2000, 2500 soaked in water, slightly enlarging the area of repair. Carefully wipe the surface. Wipe the product with a dry cloth. From dish P, with a cloth or sponge, take polish and apply to the treated surface. Buff the surface in a circular motion using a dry cotton or woolen cloth. Warning: do not use a synthetic polishing cloth. Repeat applying paste and polish 2 more times, gradually increasing the sanded area. Recommendation: the remainder of polish can be used on all other polishing surfaces. Wipe the product with a dry cloth. If the work is done carefully, the damaged area is no longer visible and the product looks like new. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for trusting Vispool products.